gonna go check out Soi 8. Time now is around 4:30. So this is what it looks like right now, 4:30 p.m. Soi 8. As you know, Soi 8 has many massage parlors, a lot of bars, a lot of hotels. It's a convenient location. And this place, you know, gets going later on. Right now it's kind of boring right now, but once nighttime arrives, it gets a little busier and all the bars kind of open up. There's Sunbeam Hotel. Never stayed there, so I don't really know much about it. Looks like a decent hotel though. Let's move on. It's an Irish massage. There's another hotel. East India Place. Hello. How are you? Hello. Hello. Sunshine Hotel on my left. Adjust this camera here. Okay. Destiny Plaza. That's another hotel. More massage parlors here. And at the end, there's Flipper Lodge on my left. And that has a great buffet for 199 baht. And it's a decent place to stay as well. So. Traffic jam right there. Byron Beach Hotel, and then there's some beer bars right over here on my left. Destiny Hotel, and there's like 3 of them here on this Soi. Rolling Live 3 bar. There's a go-go bar here as well, Superstar Go-Go. On my left. I haven't been there for a long time. Yeah, it used to be decent back in the day. But I haven't been there this trip yet, so can't really say much about it. Any given night, it could be good and bad go-go bars. In Thailand, right? Some more beer bars on my left. And here is the Flipper Lodge Hotel on my left. Beer bars on my right. It's not too busy right now. And it's low season, so it's not very busy anyways. But, you know, Walk Street was fairly busy last night, so Marine Disco was packed. And the go-go bars are fairly busy. Beach Road here. Go down Soi 7. I'm on Beach Road right now. Well, let's go. There's Burger King on my right. That's fairly new. Sometimes I don't like doing this right now, this part of the day. Some people get pissed off and stuff, so get the odd person saying stuff, saying shit. So alright, look at that. That cockroach, scorpion, I don't like that. Hello. Ah, I'm busy right now. Silver Star 2 ago. The Silver Star 1 was on Soi 8, and we got Silver Star 2 on Soi 7. I haven't been there for a long time as well, so I really don't know how that go-go bar is now. There's Tequila Reef, Cantina and Restaurant, really good restaurant. I've eaten there many times, really good Mexican, American food. Highly recommend it. So this is like the huge beer bar complex on Soi 7. So we're going right by it. This place gets really busy at night. A lot of ladies here, a lot of lady boys. Play pool here. Cheap beer, cheap drinks. A lot cheaper than walk the streets. So when you're in Pattaya, Thailand, you can come here and enjoy your night as well on Soi 7. This little pathway, like a side street on Soi 7. So beer bars here. I haven't been down here for a long time. This side street. Guest houses here, beer bars, restaurants, laundry shop, and everything's over here. Let's walk back down here. Over there's the Hilton Hotel. I'd like to stay there one time in my life. It's expensive though. You can throw my money away on a room to stay. I go back down this way. Should go back down there, but there's a guy over there who's kind of getting pissed off at me, so I'll just risk it. Some balls. Pig and Whistle Pub. I heard some good reviews about this place. Good restaurant, good food. Rosie's. It's probably decent there as well. Side street to Soy 8. Ola restaurant in the corner here. It's probably good there as well. I've never eaten there. I heard good reviews about that place as well. Another Flipper Lodge Hotel, Flipper House. Cheap accommodation. Swimming pool as well. Alright, now we're almost down very end, and we got Shooters on my left. Over here, it's a great bar to hang out in. Been there many times. You've seen some of my videos. Some sexy ladies in there for sure. Right, at the very end of Soy 7 on 2nd Road. Okay, thank you for watching, and please subscribe to Pattaya Thailand. Thank you very much.